Yo, boys. Hello. It's me. I'm back. I am. Yet again. On the shitbox. I mean, who would have really guessed this? Like, I'm sure you are absolutely surprised. Bondo, again. Today. I'm doing the next coat. I'm sorry, guys. Another coat on here. I would have sanded this more, but this was like my base height I needed to be at, and I filled a good size gap right there. I mean, it's not that big all the way up through there, but like there's a little gap. Okay, we're gonna do the next coat right now. Believe it or not, there's like a couple hours of sanding because I had to sit here and hand sand because the palm sander takes it off too fast. So yeah, so let's get this shit mixing before it gets dark, because you can see the sun's literally setting already, so like it's gonna be dark soon. Let's go. I don't want to be doing this shit in the dark again like last night. That was sketchy. I have to clean my yard because look, every time I clean it up, messy again. Dude, it's this guy right here who lives right in there. He comes out and throws his trash in the front lawn. Crazy, right? Well, guys, this is coat number 2 now. I wanted to show you. It's definitely not going to be dry today, so I will definitely be having to wait till tomorrow to sand. Flying by it like crazy shit. But I'm out here on the side of the road getting it done for the boys. But yeah, so as you can see, I tried to match this body line the best I could. I think I did all right. I'm not going to lie, you know. I don't think I did too shabby. I mean, what do you guys think? You saw what I was working with. You saw what the last coat looked like in the last part, so, and this part. So I think I did mid. You know, could have been better. I definitely think I did better on this side than on the passenger side. As you can see, this side, I mean, this is actually just a high spot because my first coat on this side was a lot shittier than my first coat on the other side. So you can kind of see right here, I just need, honestly, to pile a little more on and carry it from here to here, I think, is what I really need to do. Oh, sticky fingers. No. It's okay. Because you can kind of see where the edge of the wide body is right there still a little bit, which is crazy because it's buried in, you know, Bondo. But, yeah, like I said, I mean, if you just, yeah, right here at this angle, you can kind of tell. You know, it's kind of a low spot right around here. So if I just put some on here and drag it over here and mellow this from here back, I think it'll be perfect. And I mean, I think that I carried this lower section over decently. I mean, I might need a little more here. But other than that, I mean, I think it's all right. Once I finish this up, I know I probably should have taken this whole entire piece off as one and done it, but I wanted to make sure that these lined up and looked right on here. Ironically, I have to shift this whole piece over a little bit. As you can see, it's off. That's because the headlights are smashed. And at the time when this went on, I went on to this. So now I can shift this all over now that these two pieces are connected. It's a long story, but yeah. So I can shift it over now to make that line up right how it's supposed to, because, you know, it's off. It's funny because this side's off a little more than this side is. This side's off just a little. It's a little less noticeable on this side, like, but you can see, oh shit, I'm about to get smoked, bro. I'm about to get smoked. Yo, look at it. I am too. This side of the street's not the best place to do this, but it's side of the street parking, dude. Like, I don't know what you want from me. Like, we just out here. Yeah, like, I need to clean this yard too, but anyways, there's John. He's irritated. He's cold. He's not happy. He's not a happy camper. Look at him. Look at pissed off John. He's just sitting there scrolling, you know. John. Say hi, John. Say hi, John. John doesn't watch my videos, so John will never see this. Say hi, John. Honestly, John's mom's got a higher chance of seeing this than John does. But, anyways. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much, that's what we have for today. I think it could have been better, it could have been worse. Damn, girl! Oh my fucking god. Yo, I'm about to get licked, bro, in like 0.3 seconds. But, alright, like, subscribe, comment, You know the drill. Support your boy. I'll show you guys tomorrow how this looks after we hit some sanding. Once we sand this, it's gonna look crisp. I'll probably do one more coat tomorrow, just, you know, to make it look really how I want it. I don't know. We'll see how I can get it sanding. I'm gonna sand it, and I'm gonna hope that, you know, it's where I want it to be. But realistically, I'm okay with putting one more coat on. I'm just gonna expect to have to put, you know, one more coat on just to get everything to line up perfect. But I mean, I even carried the ridges around the headlights. You know, I matched that all the way down, and then had drop off here how it was supposed to. Same with this side. I followed that edge all the way down, and then mellowed it. You know, you see. I'm no body guy or nothing like that, but you know, I do my best. But all right, catch you boys. I'll catch you later.